Hello everyone, this is Rong. Today I want to talk about the topic 4 of how to trans regular expression to the NFA and DFA expression. The topic 4 is A star, C, and B star. For the A star represents A of any number of times, C just represents C, and B star represents B of any number of times. Here we have the three NFA expressions of A star, C, and B star. This is for A star, and this is for B star. For C, we just have one H, and so I do not write list on this page. Here is the total graph of the A star, C, and B star. For each E represent S-long translation, and for A just represent A, and for C represent C, and B represent B. And for the first part, 0 node to 2 node, this part represent A star, and 2 to 4 represent C, and 4 to 6, this part represent B star. Now this is the yes and no table. We have C is yes because we can go 0 S-long translation to 2 and 2 to 4, and we have the C access right. So this one is work, and we also use the S-long translation to the final note. For A, we only can go through 0, 1, 3, and we can pass 2, 4, so we can not reach the final note. And for AC, for this time, AC can go through the 2, 4 part. So we have 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6. So this whole process works. For B, yeah, obviously we from 0 to 2, but it won't work for 2 to 4. So we cannot reach B. Also, we cannot get the final 0.6. For double AC, we have 0, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6. So this works. And for AB, this is basically have the same problem with A and B. We cannot exercise 2, 4. So basically, this yes and no table, the problem of this, we should if we can access C, so it's pretty much this will have a yes result. But if we can't access C, we can't reach the 6th node, so we will get no result. And here we have a grid format. This is from 0, we can reach 0 point, and 1 and 2 for the S-long translation. So we have 0, 1, 2 this on here. And for 1, we can access itself, and we also have a AH translation. So we can access 3, and so 1 for the S-long, 3 for A. For the 2 nodes, we have a C translation. So we list C on here, and for itself, we have S-long translation. For third node, we can access itself, and here is the itself. It's itself, and for also it can reach 1 and it can reach 2, so we list 3, 1, 2. For 4, we can access itself, and we also have a S-long translation to 6, and we have a S-long translation to 5, so we list 4, 5, 6. And also for 5, we can reach 7, so list 7 here, and we also have the S-long for itself. For 6, we only can access itself, so we list 6 on here, and for 7, we can reach 5, we can reach 6, and we also have 7 here. So we list 7, 5, 6. For basic for this grid format, we can really easy to find out. We have 4, 5, 6, and 6, and 5, and 7, 5, 6, which these three represent. We can how can we reach the final node 6? So we can translate the NFV to DFV through that result. Here is the DFV result. We have 1, 2, go through C, 2, 4, 5, 6, and go through B, 2, 7, 5, 6. And for this part, we also can easily know that we can output from here and output from here. So this is an FA expression. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. This is a reference.